Hi there, I'm Elaine, a certified yoga therapist, and I'm here to show you that self-nurture can be made into your daily routine, daily life without being a chore, so that you can elevate from your health challenges. Our practice today is a quick reset for upper back and shoulders. For this, go ahead and sit on a comfortable chair, sturdy chair with your feet on the ground. Take a moment to allow your breath to become easeful and fully arriving in this moment. On your next inhale, gently arch through your spine, draw your hands towards your hips, lifting your chest up. And exhale, slide your hands towards your knees and curve through your back. Inhale, a gentle arch, gazing slightly upwards, and exhale, rounding through your back, tuck your chin down. Continue inhaling, allow your spine to lengthen up. Exhale, curving inwards. We're moving through this to really improve some fluidity, mobility, and articulation throughout our entire spine. Do the best you can, even if the movements are smaller for now. The idea is to just move a little bit through the spine to remove any stagnation and stickiness. Finish with an inhale, gently arching, and exhale, return to a neutral seated position. Allow for a pause with an in breath and an out breath. Then place your hands into soft fists, bend your elbows. As you inhale, draw your elbows back, lift your chest, and exhale, bring your elbows forward, curve in. Inhale, open and pull back. Exhale, as if you're shielding your head. So similar movement to our previous one, but more targeted in the upper back region. Finish with the elbows pulling back, and then exhale, rest your hands back down onto your thighs. Close your palms and elbows together in front of you as you inhale, open out, palms facing forward. Exhale, touch your palms and elbows to touch. Inhale, open out. And exhale, pull your elbows and hands together to touch in front of you. Continue a few more times, once again, more targeting through the upper back region. Your lower back will arch, but try to keep the movement more targeted through the upper back, chest, and shoulders. And last one here, inhale, open out, gazing slightly up, and exhale, close in. Stay here with the elbows and palms touching, or if you're able to, cross your elbow on top of one another, either with your hands still split apart, or you can place your hands over your shoulders as if hugging yourself. Another alternative is to really interlace your arms so that your palms can touch within each other. Wherever you are, as you inhale, gently bring your elbows up toward the ceiling, and then exhale, draw your elbows down towards your rib cage. Inhale, gently drawing your arms upwards, and exhale, drawing your elbows in and down towards your rib cage. So this can be replicated wherever you are in your arm positioning, whatever options you take, even if your arms are apart, or whether you are just hugging your opposite shoulders. The idea is to move through your upper back and follow the pace of your own breath, not too urgent, no rush. And again, as you can see, all of the variations and options, you can do the same by inhaling, drawing your elbows up, and exhaling, drawing your elbows in towards your ribcage as you round, tucking your chin down. The action of tucking the chin down will help to stretch and elongate through the back of the neck. Finish your last one. Unwind your arms and rest your hands back down onto your thighs. Bring your arms out to the side, turn your palms facing up, and then hold your hands into soft fist. As you inhale, shrug your shoulders up to your ears, and exhale, draw your shoulders down. Keep your arms out, shoulders down, inhale again, and then as you exhale, bring your arms back behind you, taking care not to arch your waist too much. Now go ahead and bend your elbows slightly. Take another breath in. And on the exhale, squeeze your arms a little further back, drawing your shoulder blades in towards each other. Again, taking care not to overly arch through your waist. And then rest your arms down. You can close your eyes. Allow the movements, the effects to settle in. Noticing any changes along your mid, upper back, and neck. And thank you so much for practicing with me today in our quick reset for upper back and shoulders. I will see you next time.